Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this urgent cryptocurrency market roundup for July 23rd, 2025. If you're checking your portfolio today, you're likely seeing red and wondering why everything suddenly turned south. From Bitcoin to altcoins, this isn't just a dip, it's a full-on correction. So what caused it? Let's unpack the charts, the headlines, and the moves that could reshape the next phase of this market. Before we get going, if you're someone who follows crypto daily, or just appreciates straight talk during times like this, hit the like button so this video gets seen by people who need context, not chaos. And I want to know, are you buying this dip, sitting tight, or trimming? Drop your play in the comments. No hype, just your honest take. The big picture. The total crypto market cap is down sharply to $3.93 trillion. That's a 6% decline in under 24 hours. So what's going on? It's a mix of profit-taking after a strong multi-week rally, diminishing hopes of a US Federal Reserve rate cut this month, and over $200 million in liquidations, with altcoins hit the hardest. While global markets remain choppy but calm, crypto is diverging, and Bitcoin dominance is now over 60%. Which historically signals altcoin weakness ahead. Let's go coin by coin, starting with BTC. Bitcoin, $118,359. Bitcoin is holding above $118,000, down slightly today by just under 1.2%. It hit a high of $120,256 earlier, but now looks to be pulling back toward $114,800. Which sits near the mid-Bollinger Band. The key pressures? Over $500 million in ETF outflows. And with only 2.4% of total BTC supply active, long-term holders aren't selling. But short-term traders are booking profits. MACD is showing bearish divergence, and RSI is cooling. If $114,000 breaks, we may see a slide toward $108,000. But if it holds, and ETF inflows return, Bitcoin could lead the bounce. Comment below. Are you eyeing that 114K zone for a bounce, or do you see more pain ahead? Ethereum, $3,603. Ethereum is down to $3,603, a drop of around 2.8% on the day. Staking rewards have risen to 4%, which typically supports long-term holding. But trading volume is fading, and Ethereum is clearly lagging. This is capital rotation. Traders are moving from Ethereum into BTC, especially with Bitcoin dominance surging. Key support is at $3,500. If it breaks, we could see Ethereum head for $3,200. Do you think Ethereum will decouple soon? Or is it just shadowing BTC for now? Let's get a quick vote in the comments if you're buying this range. Binance Coin, $773.94. BNB is the surprise standout today. It's currently trading at $773.94, just shy of its recent high at $808.27. Despite the market downturn, BNB has flipped Solana in market cap, and it's holding strong. Why? Binance Smart Chain continues to attract projects, and exchange-based utility remains stable. It's proof that real usage matters, even in red markets. If BNB holds above $750, this could remain a relative safe zone in the short term. Anyone rotating into BNB while others dip? Share your reason why. XRP is trading at $3.24, down nearly 9% today. That's a big drop, and likely overextended due to its recent run. A lot of traders were watching the $3.50 level, which has now flipped into resistance. The July trendline has broken, and XRP is dragging as Bitcoin stalls. There's still buzz around Ripple's stablecoin announcement, but right now, technicals are in control. Is XRP still part of your long-term stack, or was this a take-profit zone? Solana is currently sitting at $189.53, down roughly 6.3% from the previous close. It peaked at $205.92 recently, and is now in retracement mode. The key issue here is altcoin liquidation volume, over $200 million, and Solana took a big hit. Its DeFi activity remains strong, but not strong enough to resist this kind of macro rotation. If it loses support at $185, the next key level is down around $168. Comment below if you think this pullback is just temporary. Cardano, $0.818. Cardano is trading at $0.818, down around 8%. It topped at just over 90 cents in the last day before fading with the rest of the alt market. Cardano upgrades are still on track, and long-term holders remain steady. But the market is simply not rewarding fundamentals right now. Watch the 80-cent line closely. If it breaks, we could see a move back to 70 to 72 cents support. Anyone loading up ADA here or waiting for lower? Let us know your level. Dogecoin, Doge, $0.243. Dogecoin is down to $0.243, an 8% drop on the day. It hit a high of $269,000, but was quickly rejected. This move isn't unique to Doge. Meme coins are falling out of favor this week as macro tension rises. Still, conversations about its use as a treasury reserve asset continue, which may revive interest later. Are you still holding Doge, or was this the exit point? Internet Computer, ICP, down 5%. Lastly, Internet Computer is down about 5%, continuing the altcoin-wide bleed. Even with strong narrative around Bitcoin DeFi bridges and smart contracts, the market is punishing risk across the board. This is one of those projects that gets hit early, but may also bounce back faster if sentiment shifts. Anyone long-term on ICP here? Type ICP hold in the comments. Final thoughts. Today's correction is largely driven by profit-taking at resistance, diminished rate cut expectations, altcoin overexposure getting trimmed, and ETF outflows triggering volatility. That said, Bitcoin holders are still not selling, and institutional appetite hasn't disappeared, just paused. This looks like a cool down, not a collapse. Keep your eye on Bitcoin's support at $114,000, Ethereum's hold above $3,500, and whether BNB and Solana reclaim momentum. If we bounce from here, this may have been the reset needed for the next leg up. What's your take? Are you cautious or buying the fear? Drop your moves in the comments. And as always, stay ready, stay sharp, and we'll see you at the top.